Welcome to my channel. I am back. Let us see top 9 road safety rules to follow in India. Let's go on the video. Every state government has enacted certain road laws to protect its citizens. They have also enacted laws to protect animals and pedestrians. Below are some of the key road safety measures. Animal safety. Cattle, cats, and dogs are allowed to roam freely, hence, avoid hurting them or running them over while driving. Crossing a zebra crossing. The importance of road safety is lost on those who do not use the zebra crossing to cross a road. The black and white strips are there for a reason and for your safety. Make use of it to cross the road. Drinking and driving. Among the important road safety rules is to avoid consuming alcohol and then driving. Alcohol consumption repairs cognitive functioning and hence prevents a person from being fully in control of the alcohol, exhausting our health issues. Road safety rules demand that you do not drive if you have any health issues. Moreover, if you are exhausted, then also it is advised to not drive too. Follow traffic lights. The obedient to all the traffic signals. Walk when the signal shows green to walk. Also follow traffic lights while driving. Keep to left. Among the safety rules on the road, a vital one is keeping to the left while parking or driving so that you do not collide with vehicle coming from the light. Slow down for instructions. Slow down while entering main road, crossing intersections or corners. Turn signals and hand gestures. Use the necessary signal when you are turning, slowing down, or allowing someone vehicle to pass. Do not use horn and silent zone. Use of mobile phones. Using mobile phones while on the road can cost lives. Hence, as a road safety point, avoid using your mobile phones while on the road. These were the most important of the road safety rules. There are other issues below. Road safety rules and regulations of cars is important. These are the road safety rules for those driving cars. Is 1. Please wear your seat belts. Bye guys. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.